Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the famous Chinese takeout pepper steak. It is so flavorful and it's so easy to make. Look at the glaze on this tender sliced beef or the crunch on these vegetables. Let me show you how it's done and let's get started. I'm gonna use a nice cut of flank steak, about 1.5 pounds, and it's very tender when cooked properly and it's very affordable. I'm gonna slice it thinly, and this is quite a wide piece. I'm gonna cut it into two and slice it against the grain, just like you see here. If you're having trouble with the slicing, place the meat in the freezer for a little bit. It'll make it easier for you to slice. I placed the sliced beef in a bowl and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, three tablespoons of soy sauce. I used light soy sauce, but you can use dark. 1 tablespoon of honey, and I mix very well with the beef. I set it aside to work on the vegetables, starting here with some fresh ginger, and the easiest way to peel ginger is with a small spoon, just like you see here. Dice very thinly. We're gonna need about 2 tablespoons. Dice 4 cloves of garlic and set aside. I'm gonna cut 3 bell peppers into cubes, and I'm gonna use a mix of red and green peppers. Slice half an onion, and I'm using here sweet onions, and I cut it into cubes just like the peppers. Last thing I'm gonna do before cooking the dish is making a slurry, and it consists of 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic chili sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Don't skip the oyster sauce, it adds so much flavor. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and just a touch of tomato paste, about 1 teaspoon. Mix together, and then I'm gonna add half a cup of chicken stock. Everything is ready for me now. Now I'm gonna stir fry everything. I preheat the pan to high heat. Any stir fry pan or heavy bottom pan, just like the one you see here, is perfectly fine. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or peanut oil. I'm gonna stir fry the meat in batches. I'm not gonna crowd the pan. And remember, on very high heat. This should go very quickly, it's not gonna take so much time. If you're liking my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. One and a half pounds I divided and I sauteed in 4 batches. Remove, set aside until you finish the whole amount. In a sizzling pan, I'm gonna saute the vegetables, the red and green peppers and the onions. A touch more of vegetable oil and no need to clean the pan. I saute the vegetables. I want them to still be crunchy. 6-7 minutes is about right. They'll still be crunchy and crispy. About 5 minutes later, I'm gonna add the ginger and fresh garlic. About 2 tablespoons of the ginger, 1 tablespoon of the garlic. I like to add a lot, but it's totally up to you if you like to add a little less. Now it's time to add the sauce, and I'm adding half of the amount right now. I mix and then add the whole amount of beef. Mix in with all the saucy goodness, and the dish is done. A minute or 2 and take it off the heat. I serve this dish with steamed rice. It is so good. I hope you'll give it a try soon. And until next time, bon appétit!